Thomas Jefferson once said, "I'm a great believer in luck, and I find the harder I work, the more I have of it." What though is luck? Webster's dictionary suggests that luck is the events or circumstances that operates for or against an individual. Ladies and gentlemen, in truth, luck has nothing to do with something operating for or against you. It is not the matter of chance, it is the matter of being open to new experiences, perseverance, hard work, and positive thinking. Studies have shown that lucky people tend to be far more open to new experiences. Those who are unlucky are creatures of habit, never varying from one day to the next. If you want to be lucky, add some varieties to your life. Meet new people, go to new places, increasing the possibility of those chance opportunities those lucky people always seem to run into. Luck though isn't just about trying new things, it is also about hard work, even when it is hard. A 1994 study suggested that lucky people are the ones who continue to try, even when they are faced with obstacles. Study initiator Richard Wiseman said, "People have to persevere, they have got to stick at it. People give up too soon. The ones who achieve their goals are the ones who hit obstacles. They don't just give up and pack it all in, they try again. They find another route. They are versatile, they are flexible, they have got new ways of finding solutions." Luck is accepting responsibility for who you are and being the person who drives the bus, not the person who is being driven. The old adage related to positive thinking seems to apply on the concept of luck. Even though a particular business deal didn't quite work out or you missed the bus, looking at the bright side of things may very well encourage more luck to come your way. The old proponents of idea will tell you that some people are just lucky. Some will even tell you that luck happens in phases, and a bit of luck is sure to come your way eventually. The simple truth of matter though is that luck is not a matter of chance. The great Lucille Ball once said, "Luck? I don't know anything about luck. I've never banked on it, and I'm afraid of the people who do. Luck, to me, is something else. Hard work, and realizing what opportunity is and what isn't." Ladies and gentlemen, you make your own luck in this life, and the great thing about it is that everyone can do it. Lucky you!